I dropped the ball. And I'm disappointed in myself because I was supposed to do this a long time ago. And I didn't. That's the first thing that you're supposed to do. And I didn't do it. So I skipped step 1. And how you skip step 1 when you are starting a business or when you are building a brand. How do you do that? So I'm mad. I'm upset. And I feel like that's very selfish of me. That's very selfish of me to do that to you. And I've been thinking about this for a couple days now. And I'm like, I need to come clean. I need to come and go live and tell y'all how I'm feeling and what I'm experiencing right now. Because if you lay in that foundation, right, how are you going to have a solid house when your foundation is soft, when it's not solid? It just doesn't make no sense. So, anyways, I got a lot of things running through my mind right now. But I need to just be, I need to keep it real with y'all. So, what I forgot to do was introduce myself. I forgot to tell you guys who I am. So how are you building a business? How are you building a brand, but yet you don't tell anybody who you are or what you do? That just doesn't make any sense to me, right? So I'm building this business, I'm building this brand, and I'm expecting a marriage. I'm expecting a commitment. I'm expecting love, right? But yet I'm already saying I do at the altar, and I didn't even say hello, hi, my name is. So how you jump all the way to step 5, but yet you forget step 1? So I've been thinking about this, and I'm like, no, it's not right. I need to come on here and I need to let people know who I am. Who are you? Why are you qualified to teach me this information? What is your story? What have you been through? And there is a story. I've been through a lot. And right now, today, I'm in a 360-degree difference than where I was 5 years ago, 10 years ago. But you guys don't know that journey. So you really don't know who I am. And I don't know. I'm disappointed. Like I said, I'm disappointed because I should have let you guys know, who Christina Yvette is a long time ago. And I didn't. But yet I'm expecting a whole marriage out of this situation. So to me, it doesn't make any sense. And that's why I'm on here. I'm on here to introduce myself. I'm on here to tell you where I came from. I'm on here to share my story with you guys because, to be honest with you, my story is unique. It's not like everyone else's story. It's not a cookie cutter story. Like, I come from humble beginnings, as they say. So where should I start? I'm trying to think of where should I start. Should I start from birth? Should I tell you guys where I was born? Should I start from there? Or should I start from when I became an adult at 18? I'm trying to figure that out right now. So, well, let me just begin. My name is Christina. I go by Christina Yvette. My last name is Bonaire, but it wasn't always Bonaire. Bonaire is new to me. So I was born on Christmas Day a very long time ago in 89. So I think I'm an 80s baby, even though I'm not. Like, I was born literally 6 days before the 90s. But I still claim to be an 80s baby. Why? I don't know. I want that ownership of being an 80s baby. So anyways, I was born December 25th, 1989. Christmas Day. And my mom told me that I was her Christmas gift. And it felt so good to hear that from her, right? She told me the entire story of how she was at a Christmas party. She drank a pina colada and she went right into labor. So anyways, I was born as Christina Yvette Jean Philippe. And Jean Philippe is French background. So that's from the islands. My dad is from Haiti and my mom is from Puerto Rico. So now let me finish the story. You know what? Actually,